This tutorial is to show you how to create a screening protocol. To create a protocol, select the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Select Manage Protocols. A demonstration MAICO sample protocol is listed. Add a new protocol by selecting the plus icon at the bottom right corner. The first screen is to enter the name for this protocol. Tap in the protocol name field to open a keyboard. Type in a name and select Enter. Use the arrow on the right to move to the next screen. Selection of screening frequencies is next. Select the frequencies that are required for your hearing screening program. The blue check mark indicates those frequencies activated and part of the protocol. Use the right arrow to continue. Assigning a screening level is next. The screening level can be defined for each frequency separately. This is the maximum level allowed to pass the hearing screening. Use the arrows beside the level shown to make a change. Once completed and confirmed for each frequency, use the right arrow to continue. Frequency order is the next protocol option. Since the audiometer will automatically move to the next frequency upon scoring, choose the frequency order for the right and left ear separately. To change order, press and hold the frequency while moving it to the preferred location. One example of frequency order is to start testing at 1000 Hz in the right ear, then move to 2000 Hz, 4000 Hz, and then 500 Hz. Then switch to the left ear and start at 500 Hz as the subject is familiar with that tone and it is easier to recognize. Then continue on with the frequencies from low to high. Pass criteria is the fifth selection screen. Requiring 2 responses per frequency is the recommendation, and this setting is defaulted to on. If there is a need to inactivate this setting, then tap the setting to turn off. The device will always require a refer confirmation for each frequency regardless of this setting. The last setting is the signal type. The selection options are steady tone, pulse tone, warble tone, and pulse warble tone. Make your selection here. Once all selections are made, select Create to save the protocol and return to the protocol list. If another protocol is required, select the Add button again and continue to create. When done with protocol creation, select the back arrow to return to the Start screen. Now that the protocol has been created, this protocol can be defaulted for selection and will remain as the selected protocol even with closing the easyTone app or turning off the tablet. To select, use the protocol drop-down at the top of the screen. There are an unlimited number of protocols that can be created in the device. Just verify the correct protocol is selected before starting any screening test. This completes this tutorial on creating a screening protocol. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.